Did you know a sneeze can travel faster than a sports car? That's right. When you sneeze, it can reach speeds of up to 100 miles per hour and shoot droplets as far as 30 feet. Imagine that force, it's like a biological rocket launching into the air. In fact, a single sneeze can release around 100,000 droplets, each carrying germs and particles. This is why it's crucial to cover your mouth when you sneeze. It helps contain those microscopic particles that can spread illness. So next time you feel a sneeze coming on, remember, you're not just letting out air, you're unleashing a mini explosion. What's the fastest thing you've ever seen?